Hey everybody, Todd here, and welcome back to another Monday Morning Mindfulness practice session here on wellnesstalks.org. If you like this practice, I ask that you subscribe, and if you want to get notifications for when the next one of these comes out, make sure you hit the little ring button. So today I'm going to be doing a little bit more of an expansion on the basic getting present mindfulness component, which was part of the previous video. The focus is going to move from just paying attention to internal, but also incorporating some of the external. So we're going to be playing with both sides of this. You can keep your eyes open, or you can close your eyes for the first part of it and then open it as I start to ask questions about what do you see and so on. So first, let's just get present to the moment, right here, right now. I ask you just to close your eyes for a moment here. And what I'd like for you to do is to become aware of how you're sitting. See if it's possible to just be aware of your posture. Is it rigid? Is it soft? Are you slumped over? Are you standing tall? Are you sitting tall? Just pay attention to your actual body posture. And just notice any tension. Is there some place that you're actually holding tension in your body? Now, with your eyes closed, your mind may start wandering. This is okay. Just notice that your mind has wandered. And bring your awareness back to the present moment. And see if it's possible now to detect the pressure of your clothing on your body. Just see if you can notice like a pulling on the shirt or the jacket that you're wearing. Is there a difference between the skin which is covered by the clothing versus the skin that is not? Be curious and stay there for a moment. Now, your mind has probably wandered at this point. That's okay. Your mind is going to wander. That's what it does. And we're just trying to notice when the mind jumps in, when we jump track. It's one of the most important components of a mindfulness practice. So just notice whatever it was that you were paying attention to. And this time, bring your awareness back to your feet in contact with the ground. Really push into the ground. Notice any sensations there. How many times did you notice just now that your mind would try to wander? Were you able to catch it and bring yourself back to being aware of just your feet? Just take one more moment and keep your awareness on your feet. Okay, so now we're going to move into the next part of this particular exercise, which is getting an inventory of what's happening right here, right now, in this present moment. You can keep your eyes closed or you can open them at this point. So one of the first things I'm going to have you do, and you can do this at any point of the day, any moment of the day, and nobody will know you're doing it, is to just simply ask yourself, where am I? Just take note and be curious. Where am I? What do I see? If your eyes are closed, what do I hear? Just bring your awareness there for this moment. Allow yourself to just be present to what can I see or what can I hear? When your mind interrupts, fall back in. What do I see? What do I hear? Next question. What am I doing? What am I currently engaging in? right now. What can I smell? If your mind wanders, just notice what your mind's doing. And then each time, jump to a different sense when you come back in. Try that for a moment. We were just doing, what do I smell? So now move to a different one of the senses. Notice where your mind is gone, and now move to, what can I taste? What are the sensations like in my mouth right now? Good. Once again, just a simple introduction to a new concept. We can take inventory as to what's going on around us, what's going on within us. What are the internal experiences? What are the external experiences? In other words, what's arising in our consciousness right now? And we can do this any time of the day, any place. You can even add other questions such as, who am I with? What's going on around me? And you can just bring your awareness to that. You can do this when you're driving. How many cars are in tandem with me on the highway? Notice that stop light. Instead of getting irritated, notice the irritation, notice the thought, and simply be present to the stoplight. The more that we can practice the skill, the more likely you'll do it, the more likely you'll be present. We can give ourselves a little bit of distance, allow ourselves to be a little bit more open, a little bit more accepting, and simply present to what is happening right here, right now. These skills, when practiced over time, will become a new habit, will become a new way of being, and lead to increasing your psychological flexibility. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this was useful. And until next time, may you be well.